Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to take screenshots in your Steam games. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on Steam and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam configuration panel where you can customize various features. In the settings window, you'll notice a left panel with several options. Click on In-Game to access all the features related to your gaming experience. This section is important because it controls how Steam interacts with your games while you're playing them. Now, look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside this text, you'll see a toggle switch. Make sure this is turned on. This overlay is what allows you to access Steam's features, including the screenshot function, without leaving your game. It's essential for capturing those perfect gaming moments. Next, find the Take a Screenshot option. Right beside it, you'll see the default key is set to F12. If you want to change this to something more convenient for you, go ahead and click on it. A prompt will appear asking you to set a new key. Press any key on your keyboard that you'd like to use for taking screenshots, then click Confirm. This customization lets you choose a key that's easier to reach during intense gaming sessions. Now you're ready to actually take some screenshots. In the upper left corner, click on Library to access your game collection. In the left panel, select the game you want to play and take screenshots in. Launch the game and start playing. Whenever you want to capture a moment in your game, simply press the key you set earlier. The screenshot will be saved automatically in the background without interrupting your gameplay. This makes it perfect for capturing epic wins, beautiful scenery, or funny glitches. To view all the screenshots you've taken, return to the Steam window. In the upper left corner, click on View, then select Recordings and Screenshots from the drop-down menu. Here you'll see all your captured screenshots organized and ready to view, share, or save to another location. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used Steam's screenshot feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.